Hey, amazing growers and green thumbs! Welcome back to Soil Books, your soil-smart garden companion. Today we're diving into the world of banana peels, not just for compost. This kitchen scrap holds secrets we're eager to share, revealing how the mundane can become magnificent in the garden. Did you know one humble banana peel could unlock more than 15 different benefits for your garden? It's a remarkable natural tool. From fertilizers that gently release vital nutrients to pest repellents that guard their tender leaves without harm. We'll also look at creating nourishing foliar sprays and how these peels can act as pH balancers for the soil. Stick around till the end. You'll leave with secrets most gardeners still don't know. Prepare to see this everyday item in a completely new and wonderfully green light. Here we observe the simplest method of returning the banana's gifts directly to the soil, the direct burial. Chop the peel into smaller pieces to hasten decomposition. These fragments are then carefully interred beneath your plants, a quiet offering made. The soil's inhabitants, bacteria, fungi, and tiny invertebrates, commence their essential work. They break down the peel's structure, releasing nutrients like potassium and phosphorus gradually. This slow release provides a steady diet for the plant, ensuring robust growth and resilience. Let's explore transforming the humble peel into a liquid elixir banana peel tea. Chop the peels and steep them in water for 3 to 5 days. The water darkens, becoming nutrient-rich. Strain the liquid and use it to water your plants, offering a quick boost. It's a gentle tonic, invigorating plants from the roots upwards with nature's own brew. For immediate delivery of banana peel's bounty, try the banana peel smoothie. Blend peels with water into a thick slurry. Pour this rich concoction directly onto the soil around your plants. The fine particles integrate quickly, providing an instant source of nutrients, perfect for hungry plants in their active growing phase. Transform banana peels into a stable, versatile soil amendment dried banana peel powder. Dry the peels thoroughly, then grind into a fine powder. This powder is a powerhouse of nutrients, easy to store and use. Mix into potting soils or sprinkle around plants for a gradual nutrient release. Simple preservation locks in nature's potency. Protect leaves with a banana peel-based foliar spray, fortified with garlic or neem. Blend a banana peel with water, add garlic or neem oil. Strain and spray onto foliage. Nutrients are absorbed through leaves, enhancing plant vigor. Garlic or neem deters pests, offering a natural shield. Delve into fermentation to create a fermented banana enzyme. Combine banana peels with brown sugar and water, ferment for 2 weeks. The result is a liquid teeming with beneficial microbes and nutrients. Dilute and apply to soil for a microbial boost. Enhances soil structure, nutrient cycling, and plant resilience. Harness the power of unseen allies for a thriving garden. For indoor plants, try frozen banana peel nutrient cubes. Blend peels with water, freeze in ice cube trays. Place cubes on soil surface, releasing nutrients as they melt. Provides a gradual nutrient release, preventing over-fertilization. A clean, controlled way to nourish potted plants. In the compost heap, banana peels act as a catalyst. Rich in sugars, they fuel microbial activity. This increases heat, speeding up decomposition. Chopped peels enhance the process, producing rich humus faster. A simple addition enhances nature's recycling system. Use banana peels as a gentle pest trap. Lay peels in pest-prone areas attracting slugs and aphids. Collect and dispose of the peel traps the next morning. Avoids chemical pesticides, protecting beneficial insects. A natural attractant turns a problem into a manageable situation. In a worm bin, banana peels are a delicacy. Worms eagerly consume peels, processing them efficiently. Chop peels for easier consumption, bury slightly in bedding. Worms reward you with nutrient-rich castings. Enhances vermicast quality, creating exceptional fertilizer. Use banana peels as a temporary organic mulch. Lay peels around plants, retaining soil moisture. Decomposing peels release nutrients, suppress weeds, may deter pests with their scent. A waste-reducing option to protect and nourish soil. Banana peels foster mycorrhizal fungi, enhancing plant health. Decomposing peels create favorable conditions for fungi. Sugars and minerals support soil ecosystem, encourages a thriving mycorrhizal network, improving nutrient absorption. Feeding soil with peels benefits plant life profoundly. Combine banana peels and eggshells for a powerful garden tonic. Peels provide potassium, eggshells offer calcium. Blend dried peels and crushed eggshells for a balanced nutrient profile. Supports robust health and prolific fruiting. Simple kitchen scraps create a potent garden amendment. Use banana peels as a soil amendment for seedlings. Dried peel powder integrates into seed-starting mix, provides gentle nourishment for young plants, supports healthy root development and early vigor. Nurture new life with nature's provisions. Create banana vinegar for acid-loving plants. Ferment peels in water, converting sugars to acetic acid. Dilute vinegar before applying to soil. Lowers soil pH, enhancing nutrient availability. Tailor your garden's environment with a simple byproduct. That's all for today, friends. Who knew banana peels were this powerful? From boosting blooms to fighting pests, your kitchen waste is your garden's secret weapon. A simple transformation showcasing nature's resourcefulness. By adopting these methods, we're participating in a sustainable way of life. Turn potential waste into a valuable resource, fostering biodiversity. Stay rooted in natural principles, and I'll see you in the next episode from Soil Books. Until then, peace, plants, and an abundance of potassium.